expecting you.
Look, smoking on this haze got my vision defined. Trying to make a change, go and get it in time. Working 99, making nickels and dimes. See, it's hard to think dark when you was destined to shine. Live my life behind bars, but it wasn't from crime. Thanking God for this wonderful mind. Shorty fine, independent, and she wanna be mine. As long as everything is top of the line, we can call it a day.
Hey, 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 hey. What's happening? Peace of the gang, peace of the gang. It is your boy BP. I know you don't know me right now, but if you're looking at this, you are about to find out. And today, I had this great idea to say, I'm so sick of watching YouTube. I'm going to become a YouTuber. We're headed down to my storage unit, aka my workspace, so that I could get some pictures taken and I could pick up some of these items I got to ship out today. You guys are coming along with me and watch my process. Alright? You ready? You ready? Put your seatbelts on. We're going for a ride. Let's go. Boom.
I learned it from watching you.
So, I'm about to be up out of here, babe.
Okay.
I love you.
See you this evening.
Ha.
Have a good day.
She don't like it. I'm a vlogger now. You know what I'm saying? Young BZ vlogs.
Don't forget them cleats. Those have been here for
I still clean.
months.
Oh.
But you're not going to clean them.
I am. She's Louise, mommy. You gotta chill. Hold on, put this under my elbow, like right. Hold on.
Yeah.
Put that joint under my elbow real quick. Yeah. 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 Alright, hold on real quick. Let me put this shit in the car. Let me get the door open. Yeah, let me get my little cup down here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I love you too in the house. Yeah, we ready. So, yo, we about to get ready to head out to my storage space, my workspace, my little unit. Go get this work in real quick. Y'all ready to get this work in? Let's go get this work in. Plus, I got some things to ship. We'll do that a little bit later, but we'll go do some work in the meantime. I need all that love on me. Yeah, it's like you what you see. Everything designer that's on me. Hey, that's why when I walk, looking like you. Plus, you already know the beard was wild fuzzy. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get that joint right. You know what I mean? Get you a little comb. You know what I mean? Get your little comb right, you know what I mean? Get your little beard right. Make sure that joint ain't all wound and nappy like what joint this was. We back in business now, baby. Let's go.
Look, money never phased us. Mama raised us. The beat go get it slow. Niggas never came up. Got smarter than, so I had to pardon them. All I had to give was myself as the offering. You can't alter him. Move at my own pace. Y'all chase each other. I'm all in my own race. All in my own face. Like P, go harder. These little niggas is trash. They ain't ready for the slaughter. Or ready for the wrath of the new world order. The new world is upon us. Babies with AIDS and it's crazy. Lately, my lady hate me cause I be on my fuck you, pay me, suck me, lay me, twisting up hazy, dreaming about whips that cost $1.80, quarters on each corner. Now the fuzz on us, swarming the mixtapes to get a buzz on us. Niggas was on us, but no cigar though. I live like it's no tomorrow, but pray that it is. Keep my head right, raise my kid, get the money anyway you.
Now let's get to work. Now, we are here at my storage unit, aka my little workshop. I shared this joint with my bro Jack and Jeff Denham, my boy Will, and we just got this little spot because we needed something to store all our stuff and be creative and not really be in the way, you know what I mean? So, not be in the way at home. So we got this little spot, this little storage unit. So here it is. I'll give you a little tour of it in a little bit, but right now, we're just gonna get to work. You feel me? Let's go.
Getting money any way you can get it. Dumb niggas do dumb shit just so they can say that they did it. But I ain't gotta act hard. That's a waste of an image, cause I'm a really good guy. Keep a really good high. And don't be stupid, cause niggas would try, but niggas would die, and I don't need it on my conscience. Bitches everywhere, you still climbing up on my dick. It's about economics. Money in my hand, this is grown man business. I don't think you understand. It's about economics. Money in my hand, this is grown man business. I don't think you understand, nigga. Yeah.
I just set up my lights in my little studio section. You know what I mean? That's where I take all my pictures at. So, the other day, I was just at the Goodwill outlet out here in PA. And I grabbed a bunch of stuff. It's all in this duffel bag. So, what we're going to spend time doing right now, take it over here to our little light booth, take some pictures of it, get sizes, any discrepancies, if it has holes or stains or anything, make sure you get pictures of that as well. Other than that, you know what I mean? Sit back, relax, watch me, you know what I mean? Take these pictures. I'll make sure it's fast forward so you ain't got, this shit takes a long time. But we're gonna make it look good, make it fun. We'll have some fun. I need to turn on some beats so I can, hey, turn up, you feel me?
Anticipation for the day I blow. Yeah, anticipation for the day I blow. Anticipation for the day I blow. Expectations high, so up in the way I go. You can say I'm fly, but I'm just trying to stay afloat. Try not to capsize, and this extraordinary flow gets swept off in the tide. With success all on my mind, intentions were intently to intensify my grind. Still scraping up these pennies, no impressions on these dimes, cause they don't see potential till the tempo is combined with words that I apply. See, I'm overqualified, yet undercompensated, under constant observation like I'm a...
Bam. So, just got done shooting pictures of everything. Everything's got pictures to it now. So, all we have to do at this point is fold everything up and put it away. That don't really take no real hard effort right there. Then we'll take all the pictures that we have and we'll start listing. Not right this second, but, you know, sometime today. You feel me?
Nomination and they trying to find a flaw. Character assassination, I'm just trying to find a broad that promotes ejaculation through facial masturbation. Face the facts, I had to make it. Either rapper applications getting paid minimum wages, thinking criminal behavior, but that's typical to natives. And the trick is to contain us in the pits that we just came from. Hence that's what I'm made of. Niggas got dreams of being caked up. 745 all glazed up. House on the hill, credit A1. Crossing over like AO, no big advance, but the business plan is to put my niggas on payroll. Stack and watch Soleil grow. Capture what I came for, cause back then wasn't bueno. Mean mugs and broken hearts, perhaps I could change those. Break away from them dark clouds, find the end of a rainbow. Time is ticking, it's counting down, I'm getting ready to take off. Anticipation for the day I blow. Yeah, anticipation for the day I blow. Anticipation for the day I blow.
Everything's folded. Put it in size order from smallest to largest, and men's and women's. So everything is separated now. So once I did the final countdown and everything, I purchased 20 items for $30.32. I do the math on that a little bit later, but that's what I did. I bought 20 items, for $30.32. I truly believe that I can make that back in about 3 items or less. Honestly, it's, you know what I mean? I can make my money, and I got 20 items, so everything else after those 3 items, profit. So that's the goal with it, is to make it all profit after I sell 3 items out this bag. And I know I have 3 things in here that easily sell for $10+. So
I just wanna see the world, make a lot of money. There's all kinds of women out here. Trials and tribulations, ain't nothing funny. I'm just trying to make it out here. Till I can't breathe no more. Till I can't breathe no more. We've been expecting you. The hope and goal is to turn nothing into something, get everything we deserve. Pray that we live abundant, thinking that if we struggle enough and still overcome it, then blessings should overrun us, but stress is just so redundant. Precious, huddle flesh, and the test is not to succumb. The best is what I become, they know it but won't acknowledge. It's cool, I know I got it, it's nothing to prove to doubters. I ain't believing myself, it felt like I was moving mountains, breaking through to my talents, finding wealth from within, trying to create a balance while being cool in my skin. Life is always a challenge, but even losers can win. So ask yourself, do you want it, and what you gonna do to get it? Everybody. Alright, so we're finished here at our storage unit. We got everything packed up, ready to go. Now we gotta do is just drop everything off. So, roll with me. We up out of here. A lot of money, there's all kinds of women out here. Trials and tribulations, ain't nothing funny. I'm just trying to make it out here. Till I can't breathe no more. Yes, peace to the gang. Hey, I'd like to thank everybody who had tuned in up to this point. You guys rolled out with me while I had to go take pictures of clothes, had to pack some stuff up to get shipped. Man, I appreciate that. Y'all just was hanging out with me. So if you stayed to the end of the video, to this part, man, I truly appreciate you. I truly thank you. Hey, more new videos is coming. I don't know what they're going to be about. I don't know what I'm going to be talking about next. You know what I'm saying? But this is just a little part of my life that I wanted to share with everybody. And hopefully you enjoyed it. And hopefully you'll stop back out. If you do, make sure you like, comment, and share. And you ain't got to subscribe yet because I don't know what the fuck I'm finna do. But we finna have some damn fun. That's my motherfucking show, you feel me? So, make sure you tune in. Right now, this is Fliptomylou, Culture Captivations Photography. It's your boy, BP, and I am gone, Jack. Look, smoking on this haze, got my vision defined. Trying to make a change, go and get it in time.